Just be the unstoppable version of yourself. Welcome to episode 6 of my cat prep journey along with college. Hi, my name is Saksha and I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk what I have done till today on the day 6 of my cat prep. As you know, I'm following the arithmetic progression chapter. In that, I have studied today alligation and mixture. Well, I have started with lectures of allegation and mixture from R6 batch of Rodha. I'm doing Quant from Ravi Prakash sir. So I have watched his lecture and done his questions. Then after that, I have moved forward to the books question like illustration question. Well, everyone has different strategies. I'll tell you what I follow is that sometimes which I don't understand the topics, I just go through the previous year questions or the mocks question so that I can get the idea that which type of questions comes in CAT. So I have just got through PYQs and mock questions and sees all the questions which come in CAT. So yeah, that's all. And recently I have posted a all nighter session video. If you haven't watched, just go and watch it. Means I'm not forcing you. If you can watch it if you want. So yeah. And on Sunday I have done some VARC chapters also, like in that not chapter topics like Aeon essay, and I have read some Hindu editorials and gone through some comparisons questions. Yes, that's all for the today. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.